Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-30675 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL editor as a common user called c#ascot. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to create one table. So I am going to create one table called identity demo. So it contains one column called ID number with data type varchar2. So varchar2 and options I am specifying as generated always as identity. Generated always as identity. Next, I am creating another column called name column. Okay, let us see what is going to happen. Okay, you can see that ORA-30675 identity column must be a numeric type. Here, what is the problem is, I have assigned the varchar2 data type for the ID number column. Okay, so this is invalid because identity column should be only numeric type only. It can't be varchar2. Okay, so let me fix this SQL query. So ID number data type. Okay, ID number generated always as identity. So this is a valid SQL query. So this is a fix for ORA-30675 identity column must be a numeric type.